Okay, suppose if you are using Microsoft Word in your Windows computer, and if you want to turn on the bold, you must simply click here. So this is the switch for bold if you want to type something. And in this video we discuss another method to make the text bold, and that's we normally make bold by pressing this control key and P key. By pressing these two keys at the same time, again you can see that it become bold. So one more method is there, that is we discuss in this video. Okay, for doing this you must simply type this alt key, and H key. You must type press alt key and H key at the same time, and a window appear like this, and after that you simply press 1. Now you can see that it become bold here, and you can simply type whatever you want. You can see that it is bold now. Hope this video is useful. For more videos you can subscribe.